willing to leave. I'm on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together. What it do, YouTube? It's your girl, Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So, y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 18, I think this is. And we have been consistent, so let's not slack up now. So, if you haven't already, one, pause this and subscribe to my channel. Once you've done that, okay, you came back, okay, hey. Okay, anyway, y'all, so this video is y'all watching me pack for a trip to New York, okay? Y'all, we going back home. We going back up north. Okay, we going back home. I'm super excited. Well, it's kind of bittersweet, y'all. My nana fell and hurt herself. She did. So I'm going up there to see her, but also to spend time with my family and stuff and eat some really good food. So y'all, we gotta pack. We already know up north it's going to be freezing. We gotta pack. We gotta pack. So y'all, let's get into these looks because we gotta try everything on. A tip. This is a tip. In order not to overpack, try on all your outfits. I'm gonna say it again. In order not to overpack, try on all your outfits. That's how you don't overpack, right? So we're going to try on everything today. And I'm bringing y'all along with me. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all. So I'm here in my extra closet where like we store extra stuff. Now this is my really big luggage that I would take with me. Like if I was going out the country or going like somewhere spectacular, but I'm not. So we're going to just grab this one right here. Okay. This, oh, look at it, y'all. It is so stinking cute. Look how cute this is. Yes, y'all. So we getting ready to turn this off. We gonna roll this right here and we gonna close it up. Y'all basically in my closet, but not in my closet. And I have to pick out some outfits. I actually purchased a peacoat to wear to New York that I want to wear there that I have to style. Let me show y'all. So y'all, it is so stinking cute. Look at this peacoat. And then it kind of like, it got like this shape where it kind of like flares, y'all. Oh my god, it is, this peacoat is, y'all, I love this coat. And like it has a belt. Do it, oh no, I'm lying, y'all, it ain't got no belt. It don't have a belt, y'all, but it's really cute and it has a great shape, right? So I bought this. Oh, and it has really great deep pockets. So I bought this for New York because I want to wear this, right? Like I want to be like a cute and comfortable and warm in the city. So we're gonna style this, and I think my original idea or thought was to style this with something that is all white or pearl like cream color because of the buttons. But now y'all, I don't have no idea what I'm gonna style this with. So I'm gonna look in this closet, scavenge through my looks, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I got a look. I decided to go with like a basic look with this jacket because I don't want anything to take away from the jacket, right? Let me show y'all. I was gonna wear these pants. I was gonna wear these pants because in the jacket, let me just show y'all. Let me bring y'all close, okay? In this jacket, right, y'all, you see like the pearls. It's like a pearly color. See these pants? Yeah. Yeah, get into it. So I was gonna wear these white pants, well, these cream color pants, but I feel like, oh, that would eat so bad, y'all. Oh, that would eat so bad. But I feel like it would take away from the jacket, y'all. I want the jacket to be the star of the show. So I decided to go with just some basic black jeans and a red shirt because I'm going to be putting on some black knee boots, and black and red is going to always go, right? If I was to put on those cream color pants and black boots, it would look a little weird. So I'm doing this. So let's put this on, y'all. Let me give y'all the visuals, baby. Visual, because you up the visual. Okay, because ain't that what B said? All right, y'all. Okay, so see, like, oh, this is so cute, y'all. And these buttons cross like this. Oh, do y'all see how that comes down? Oh, I wish I could. With the black pants and boots, y'all. And tins across the board. Tin across the board. Okay. Straight tins. Oh, y'all, this gonna eat so bad with some gold chunky jewelry. This is gonna, y'all, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, y'all. I love this jacket. This jacket came from TikTok, y'all. And when I say it was only like $30 or $40, like, it was a cheap jacket. And y'all, the quality is crazy. Look at the pockets. So we definitely wearing this. And I'm only going to probably bring 2 bags. So black or white, I think. Black or white. So I'll definitely wear my black crossbody bag with this. I think I may pack a little bag to go with this. We're gonna see how my luggage do, because y'all, this is what I'm bringing. Okay, so, and this coat is kind of big, so this coat gonna probably take up a lot of room. But okay, so I need to pack 3 outfits. So let me start working on the other outfits. So this is look number 2. So let me take this off. So first of all, y'all, these are some wide legs jeans. I wish y'all could see them, but y'all can't. But these are the jeans, and they got like some little rips and stuff in them, which I love. Y'all, I'm going to wear a black belt. I am going to pack a black belt. But I love this with some black sneakers. Y'all, I think I'm going to put my black ones on with some silver jewelry, because black and silver, like if you got a black shirt on and you put silver jewelry on top, like silver chunky jewelry, and it's a turtleneck, y'all, oh, it's gonna eat every time. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put on some black shoes with this, and I could really wear this like this with my leather jacket. Oh, let me get my leather jacket. Hold on, y'all, we're gonna be back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Here goes the leather jacket. Ooh, this is cute. This is too cute. Like, look at this baby. Like, first of all, y'all, I really like the way this look. And when I put some jewelry on, that's gonna like kind of drape with that black belt and them black ones, it's gonna very much give Ghost Rider. And we also, y'all, we gonna be switching them frames. I think I'm bringing 2 pair of glasses, well, 3 total. I'm gonna wear my clear ones, black and white. I think those are the glasses that I'm bringing. But y'all, let's eat. But I also have this because I can like make this like another outfit, right? So I have this Eddie Bauer vest right here, y'all. If you didn't know Eddie Bauer made clothes, maybe he do. It's fluffy and it's super cute, but it's like, ooh, my arms gonna be out. But y'all, I love this. And I can still wear my black shoes. I can still put on my silver jewelry with my black belt. Y'all, and it's going to eat. Like, it's going to eat every time. So I'm going to bring this just in case, like, we just happen to have, like, a breakout day where the weather is not that bad. I'm going to bring this just in case, y'all. Just in case. So it depends, too, if I can fit this into my luggage. Okay, yeah, okay.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
Okay, so I have pretty much packed all my stuff, y'all. This bag right here is my travel size bag. So literally all my travel size items are already in here. Like this is already pre-packed, right? And this is like my toothpaste, my toothbrush, the stuff to do my eyebrows, stuff for my hair, deodorant, body lotions, perfumes. Like this is my travel size kit. So I don't have to pack this literally because it's already packed. And usually when I come back from vacations or trips or whatever, I go through this and I stock it up on whatever is needed, right? I have my gloves right here, case, and I'm gonna bring this Estee Lauder's revitalizing face cream, y'all. This cream costs $109 a bottle. I did not pay for this. It was a promotion, but y'all, this legit is really, really good. Like this, and it smells amazing. Like my face look like I got something on it, y'all. Like I'm glowing. No, baby, it's this revitalizing cream, y'all. What is it called? Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night Power Bounce Cream. And you could use this in the AM and the PM, and you got to put it on your whole face and including your neck. Y'all, this is amazing. So baby, I'm throwing this in the bag with me, y'all. I'm packed. I could not pack my coats in my luggage, y'all. So I'm going to leave the coats on hangers, and I'm just going to cover them and put them in the car, because we're traveling by car, if I haven't said this to y'all. So I can just throw that in the car. I literally could just throw that in the car. It's two coats in that one red vest, y'all. This fluffy vest, I could not pack. I did not have the room. Like, allegedly, if you try on all your stuff, it stops you from overpacking, which I don't think I overpacked. I just think that I need to purchase a bigger luggage.
Girl, bye. Bye.
And the reason why I didn't take that other luggage is because it's purple, and I don't want to travel with the purple luggage. So I am going to buy another pink XXL luggage at some point. Probably next year, because I'm traveling next year to Barbados, hopefully. So I am going to need a bigger luggage. So in the meantime, we're using this for our travels. It's really only 2 days, y'all, for real. But your girl gotta pack like this, because I'm never going to know what I'm going to need, right? So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna close this up. I'm going to close my bag of stuff up. I'm going to put my jackets on a hanger. And I'm going to take everything to the front of the house. And I'm going to come back to y'all, okay? I'm going to come back. Let me show y'all what's crazy. Is that I had to, like... So this was like this. I had to, like, unzip this right here. Like, where did it go, y'all? So, like, right here, this zipper right here, I just had to unzip this to make this wider, because y'all, my luggage literally needed the extra room. Like, that provides you with, like, I don't know, y'all, is there like 2 inches, probably like 2 more inches of space, y'all? But my luggage needed it because it is full, y'all. I don't know how I packed all this stuff for a small trip. I don't understand it. But anyway, y'all, comment down below if you're an overpacker too. Like, I want to know that I'm not alone in this overpacking. So drop a comment down below if you overpack as well. So we got to take this to the front. So let's go. Alright, y'all. So I wanted to come back and let y'all know that I remember I had to hang those jackets and I didn't have no room in my luggage. Yeah. So my homegirl is currently at Walmart, and she is going to pick me up a garment bag so that I can hang my coats up so they're not just like thrown around in the car. So I don't know if she's going to drop them off or if I'm going to have to go pick them up at her house. But either way, I'm going to bring y'all along for the ride. And this vlog, this little video, is going to be uploaded late because it is late right now. So hopefully I don't miss a Vlogmas day. And y'all, I'm eating shrimp and grits, so like, if you see me keep licking my lips, that's because I'm trying to figure out, like, is it food on my face? But anyway, y'all, she's at Walmart picking up my garment bag, so I'm gonna get back to y'all because I want to show y'all what that look like on the clothes, with the clothes inside of it. So I'm gonna come back to y'all. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm in my car looking ugly because my home girl got the garment bag for me, but I gotta go to her house and pick it up, y'all. So we going on a little drive. It's mad. I told y'all it is late outside, but I'm bringing y'all with me, so let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm at my friend's house. I'm actually in her driveway, and look, y'all, I got it. She got it for me. Can y'all see it? Look. Oh wait, where y'all at? What are like? She got it from me, guys. So I gotta go home and put my coats in here, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like once I put my coats in here. So I put my coats in here, as y'all can see. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. So I put my coats in here, which are on hangers. Y'all, it even has like a little front pocket right here with a zipper. That is so stinking cute, y'all. And all my jackets are in here, y'all. I even threw 2 hats in here. Like, this thing is so spacious. And she got it from Walmart. It was like $10 or some change, y'all. So my 3 coats are in here, and I have 2 hats, y'all, and we are all packed. Like, I cannot wait, y'all. I cannot wait. Anyway, y'all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girl been doing on this channel. Until next time, bye, y'all.
Sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle-tingling too. It's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together.